In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create viral motivational shorts using Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a vibrant and inspiring short video ready to share across your social media platforms, designed to captivate and engage your audience. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open Canva on your computer or device. If you don't already have a Canva account, take a moment to sign up for free. Once you're logged in, navigate to the search bar at the top of the screen. Here, type in Motivational Short to find a range of templates specifically designed for creating short form content that's compelling and shareable. Scrolling through the search results, you'll find various template options that are both dynamic and motivational. Spend some time browsing to find a template that resonates with the message you want to convey. Selecting the right template is crucial because it will serve as the foundation for your video. Once you've found one that captures the essence of your vision, go ahead and click on it. With your template selected, you'll see an option to customize this template. Click on that to start crafting your motivational short. This will take you into the Canva editor where you've got a palette of tools and features at your disposal. Here you can modify every aspect of the design from text to images to animations, making it uniquely yours. Next, focus on highlighting the key elements of your video. Click on the highlight tool to emphasize important text or visuals, making them pop. This is particularly useful for drawing viewers' attention to specific words or phrases that hold significant impact within your message. Remember, the goal is to inspire your audience, so be sure each highlighted part amplifies the motivation in your short. Throughout this process, take advantage of Canva's features by experimenting with different fonts, colors, and backgrounds. This will add depth to your video and help it stand out. If you have a brand with specific colors, incorporate those for consistency. Don't hesitate to browse Canva's vast library of graphics and photos if you want to add more visual elements to complement your message. Once you're satisfied with the customization, take a final look to ensure that everything is aligned and visually appealing. This is your chance to make any last-minute tweaks before sharing your video. With everything perfectly polished, download your completed motivational short in a high-quality format suitable for the platform you plan to upload it to. And there you have it, a captivating, share-worthy motivational short ready to inspire and engage. I hope this guide has been helpful, making the creative process enjoyable and effective. Now go ahead and share your creation with the world, and watch your message of motivation go viral.